Shlok 35 of chapter 1.
एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि ज्ञतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराजस्य हेतो किन्नु मही कृते.
Madhusudan api gnata. Oh, the killer of lust, the one who kills the demon in the form of lust as sweet as honey. Even if they attack, kim no mahikrite. Leave aside the earth. Na ichhami hantum etan. Don't want to kill them. Heto tralokya rajasya api. For the rule over the three worlds either. Madhusudan api gnata. Kim no mahikrite. Na ichhami hantum etan. Heto tralokya rajasya api. Interpretation. O Shiv Baba, the killer of lust, the one who kills the demon in the form of lust as sweet as honey to everyone else like us. Even if they attack me, I consider that they are mine and will just be mine. So, leave aside the earth. In fact, I have so much love filled for them in me that I don't want to kill them, that is, make them die the death of having doubt in their respective religious fathers, for the rule over the three worlds either. It is a wonder of body-conscious vision, isn't it?